The Imperial stripping corners come in 12 foot, 8 foot, and 4 foot sizes. The MEVA Light stripping corners come in 9 foot, 6 foot, and 4 foot sizes. The crane loops at the top of the corners are only rated to fly individual corners into place, so be sure to use crane hooks at the top of your panels to fly your gangs into place. Always be sure to replace all your pins so that your connecting plates don't get wedged underneath of the corners on the channel mechanism. Be sure to tape all of the corners on the seams to prevent concrete from getting in there before you grease the corners. So to connect two corners together, from your gang scenario, you want to make sure that you have one of the corners clamped into place. You want to take this wedge out of this corner that we're going to slide into place. This channel, we're going to slide then into this channel. Leaving just a little bit of a gap. Then we can remove our pin to our connecting plate right here. Slide that into place to connect the two. Then we still have a gap on this side. We want to make sure then we remove our wedge to the top of the channel to get it unlocked. Then we're going to come down here, take the next connecting plate pin out. Then we can put in our adjusting tool, where we can pull the inner channel down. That'll actually pull the corner up in place where you have the other one clamped in, where it closes the gap. And now we can lock our wedges back into place, and we can also clamp this next corner onto the gang. So after clamping everything on this corner into place, we'll also make sure that we have our wedge tucked away right here, that we have our connecting plate in the middle here with the pin connected, as well as at the bottom. To strip the corner, you need to remove the wedge from the top that locks the channel in place. And then you can take your adjusting tool, place in that top pin placement. You can then pull the channel upwards. That will then help you strip your corner. To reset the strip corner, we want to come to the bottom here, remove our pin to our connecting plate. Then we can use our adjusting tool again to place it into the connecting plate, the bottom of the corner, where we can then pull the channel to expanded position. To move the inner channel, you can also adjust it from the back of the corner right here. There's a little tab for the inner channel. Or you can also place the wedge at the top and then drive it down into place to lock the channel into place and move it down as well. Then we also want to take the wedge and place it back into here at the top to lock the corner into place. So in our core scenario, to help strip the corners with our stripping tool, you need to first remove the wedge at the top of the corner that's holding the corner in its expanded position. You then want to take the pin and your stripping tool and slide it into the top channel of the top stripping corner, and then you want to hook the end to the top of that channel, and then you could push it up to help break that free of concrete or to help strip the corner. To reset the stripping corner with our stripping tool, you need to remove the pin at the bottom of the bottom stripping corner. This then allows you to attach again your pin on your stripping corner tool through that channel, and then the end of that stripping corner tool to the bottom of that corner, pushing down the channel, where you can then take the wedge and place it at the top of the top stripping corner to then lock that corner back into place. To use the retractor tool to help strip the stripping corner, remove the wedge at the top of the top corner that helps hold the stripping corner into its locked position. Then remove the pin of the retractor tool and slide the retractor tool over the top of the stripping corner. Then replace the pin through the stripping tool and the stripping corner channel to connect it. Replace the wedge at the back of the retractor tool to firmly connect it to the stripping corner. And you can then take the ratchet, placing it on top of the retractor tool to then retract the stripping corner by pulling up the channel. To then reset the corner with the retractor tool, you just need to push the channel back down with the retractor tool. So for the MEVA light stripping corner, this is your holding position for the T-bolts. You can take these out, and then they can be used at the bottom of the corner for connection to the other stripping corner. Be sure that all of your anchoring hardware is released from the equipment and that the entire core is broken free of the concrete bond before lifting the core with the crane. For further information, refer to your technical drawings.